returned to India in 2017, I had only one dream, that is help everyone learn, grow and become leaders of tomorrow. But it took me more than 2 years to actually figure out how we can do that. And last year, in August, we started with an aim to provide the optimal online learning experience for everybody, be it student, be it working professional and entrepreneurs. But with the time we realize that finance become hurdles in learning. So to ensure that all of our students get proper training and guidance, we started a scholarship program. At Perfect Plan B, we follow the motto, learn now and pay later.
Someone very rightly said, the best way to predict the future is to create it. We at Perfect Plan B predict and create the future at the same time by learning and using the world famous machine learning.
Someone rightly said, technology in the hands of great teachers can be transformational. That is the mantra we follow in Perfect Plan B, which is to transform millions of lives by using the state-of-the-art technologies like data science and machine learning.
It is always said that change is constant. Market is changing, marketing is changing. And so we at Perfect Plan B are always going to be with you to make you the leader of tomorrow with our best digital marketing course.